Hello everyone! Welcome to our video about English vocabulary for the topic, Future Messages, Time Capsule, a container that is filled with objects of the present and then buried so that it can be dug up and studied later. Banknote, a piece of printed paper that has a particular value as money. Photo album, a type of book in which you keep photos. Diary, a book in which you record your thoughts or feelings, or what has happened each day. Receipt, a piece of paper which proves that money or goods have been received. Stamp, a small piece of paper with a picture or pattern on it that is stuck onto a letter or package before it is posted, to show that the cost of sending it has been paid. Manual, a book that gives you practical instructions on how to do something or how to use something, such as a machine. Memory stick, a small piece of equipment that you connect to a computer or other piece of electronic equipment to copy and store information. Stamp, a small piece of paper with a picture or pattern on it that is stuck onto a letter or package before it is posted, to show that the cost of sending it has been paid. Stamp, to put a foot down on the ground hard and quickly, making a loud noise, often to show anger. Float, to stay on the surface of a liquid and not sink. Float, a large vehicle with a flat surface that is decorated and used in festivals. Spring, the season of the year between winter and summer, lasting from March to June, when the weather becomes warmer, leaves and plants start to grow again and flowers appear. Spring, a place where water naturally flows out from the ground. Note, a short piece of writing. Note, a piece of paper money. Coach, someone whose job is to teach people to improve at a sport or skill. Coach, a long motor vehicle with comfortable seats, used to take groups of people on journeys. Light, the brightness that comes from the sun, fire, etc., and from electrical devices, and that allows things to be seen. A piece of equipment that produces light, such as a lamp or a bulb. Light, not weighing a lot. Match, a short, thin stick made of wood or cardboard and covered with a special chemical at one end that burns when rubbed firmly against a rough surface. Match, if two colors, designs, or objects match, they are similar or look attractive together. Duck, a bird that lives by water and has webbed feet, equals feet with skin between the toes, a short neck, and a large beak. Duck, to move your head or the top part of your body quickly down, especially to avoid being hit. Sink, a bowl that is attached to the wall in a kitchen or bathroom in which you wash dishes or your hands, etc. Sink, to cause something or someone to go down below the surface or to the bottom of a liquid or soft substance. Director, a person who is in charge of a film or play and tells the actors how to play their parts. Special effects, artificial images, especially in a film, that appear real but are created by artists and technical experts. Comedy, a type of film, play, or book that is intentionally funny either in its characters or its action. Teenager, a young person between 13 and 19 years old. Novel, a long printed story about imaginary characters and events. Confident, being certain of your abilities or having trust in people, plans, or the future. Performance, the act of doing something. Creatures, any living thing, especially an animal. That is the end of our English video today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel to support us. See you again in the next video.